Going to explore the Archibald Rice haunted home in Raytown, Missouri. At night. It's right off Blue Ridge Boulevard and 350 Highway. Let's go back through these woods. First, I want to go up to this log cabin. This house, log cabin, was built in 1844. It said when Aunt Sophie died, that was her cabin, that they closed it up and nobody's been in there since. It was left as is when she passed away. It said her spirit may roam these grounds sometimes. Pretty neat old log cabin. You can tell that sucker's old. Okay, so you can't enter. There's a lock. So I'm sure somebody has a key to it. Pretty darn cool. This door's closed up. Pretty cool. Wow, look at that old window. Huh. There was a light on, I thought. Maybe it was on the other side, though. Could have been on the other side. This is just empty. I guess they do have tours of the place sometimes, I think. There's the old root cellar. Look how big that yard is. The old garage. It was back before automobiles, 1844. So that's where they pulled their horse and buggy or whatnot, probably. Shed. Isn't that cool? Look at those old doors. Those are old garage doors. That's neat. No smoking. There's a candle in the window. It's kind of eerie. Wonder how many horse and buggies, wagons came through here. This old Santa Fe Oregon Trail. Somebody's put a Christmas tree up top there. It's pretty interesting. Another candle. Huh, wow. And there's a Christmas tree inside too, just no lights on. Oh man, that's sad. What a beautiful house to just be left empty, but ornamental trim is amazing. Pretty cool anyway. All handmade, of course. You can't see inside. Ooh, there's stairs that go up. I don't know if you can see those or not. Probably not. Stairs that go upstairs directly. Wow, what a beautiful looking house. There's Christmas trees all over. They definitely do have tours here. That's beautiful. I'm gonna have to get a video of a tour of the inside next. Thanks for watching my video. I'm gonna show you this first too again. Didn't see any ghosts or anything. It's pretty calm and peaceful and really neat place. 1844. Aunt Sophie's slave cabin campsite. Santa Fe Road, owned by Archibald Rice family. See, that's where they used to tie up their horses. Those have probably been here since, who knows, a long time. That old hook. Been here a long time. That's an old mailbox, it looks like. Maybe not 1844. Old hook. Alright, thanks guys, whoever watches this. Hope you enjoyed it.